Today's lesson is designed especially for A1, A2 beginners who want to understand daily English, speak clearly, and build confidence. You will learn 120 daily use English sentences, spoken slowly, naturally, and clearly. We will learn in steps. Slow listening. Repeat after me. Shadowing. Daily conversation practice. Pronunciation training. So sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Part 1. Simple daily life sentences. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. What are you doing? I'm getting ready. I'm going to work. I'm going to school. I'm getting dressed. I'm making breakfast. I'm leaving now. See you later. Take care. What's the plan today? I don't know yet. Let's decide later. I need some time. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling better now. Let's start our day. Great. Let's continue. Part 2. Home and routine sentences. Repeat slowly. I'm cleaning my room. I'm washing the dishes. I'm cooking dinner. I'm doing laundry. I'm folding clothes. I'm sweeping the floor. I'm watching TV. I'm listening to music. I'm relaxing at home. I'm taking a break. Can you help me? Yes, I can help. Do you need anything? I need some water. Bring me my phone, please. I'm coming in a minute. That's enough for today. Let's rest for a while. I'm going to sleep early. Good night.
Part 3. Work and office sentences. I'm going to the office. I'm running late. I'll be there soon. I'm working on it. I'm almost done. I need more time. Can you explain this? Sure, no problem. I understand. I don't understand. Can we talk later? Yes, of course. I'm in a meeting. I'll call you back. Please send me the file. I sent the email. Let me check. Everything is ready. Let's finish this. Great job today. Part 4. Travel and outside sentences. I'm going outside. I'm waiting for the bus. The bus is late. The train is on time. I'm walking to the store. I'm buying groceries. I need some milk. Do you have bread? How much is this? That's too expensive. This is cheaper. I'll take this one. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I'm going home now. I'm almost there. Open the door, please. I forgot my keys. Can you wait for me? I'm on my way.
Part 5. Social and friendly conversation. How was your day? It was good. It was okay. It was busy. I had a long day. What did you do? Nothing special. I met a friend. I went shopping. I stayed at home. Do you want to hang out? Sure, let's go. Maybe next time. I'm not free today. Call me later. Message me. That sounds good. I agree with you. I don't think so. Let's do it again. Part 6. Emotional and expressive sentences. Repeat slowly and clearly. I'm happy today. I'm excited. I feel relaxed. I feel confident. I'm a little worried. I'm stressed. I'm upset. I'm sorry about that. It's okay. Don't worry. I understand you. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate it. I need some help. I need a break. I need some rest. I'm feeling better now. I trust myself. I believe in myself. I'm improving every day. I can speak English clearly. Shadow practice. Speak with me. Let's shadow 20 mixed sentences. Speak with me. Good morning. I'm getting ready. I'm going to work now. See you later. I'm doing the laundry. I need some water. I'm working on it. Let me check. I'm waiting for the bus. How much is this? I'll take this one. Have a nice day. How was your day? It was busy. Call me later. I'm excited. Don't worry. Thank you for everything. I believe in myself. I can speak clearly. Well done. Confidence booster sentences. Repeat after me with a strong voice. I can learn English. I can speak clearly. I understand more every day. I am improving step by step. My English is getting better. I trust myself. Once more, I can learn English. I can speak clearly. I understand more every day. I am improving step by step. My English is getting better. I trust myself. You have completed 120 daily use English sentences, slow listening for beginners. Practice this video daily to improve your speaking, your listening, and your confidence. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. See you in the next lesson.